Today, we're going to walk through how to simplify the expression 90x plus negative 32x squared minus 90 plus 46x plus 58. When simplifying expressions like this, we follow 3 key steps: identify terms, organize like terms, and combine like terms. Let's start with step 1. Identify the terms. We have 90x, negative 32x squared, negative 90, 46x, and 58. Now step 2. Organize the terms in descending order by exponent. We'll start with the x squared term, then x terms, and finally constants. That gives us negative 32x squared, 90x, 46x, negative 90, and 58. Step 3. Combine like terms. Start with the x terms. 90x plus 46x equals 136x. Now combine the constants. Negative 90 plus 58 equals negative 32. And the x squared term stands alone as negative 32x squared. So the final simplified expression is negative 32x squared plus 136x minus 32. That's your final answer. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.